Who?
Wait, Megan Fox is Smurf?
I know I dash around a lot, but I promise I'm
Uh,
looking out for you.
No, it's just a new
Take them out while
account.
they're busy with me.
She's
wait,
new to
I thought-
Valorant.
I thought you guys were kidding that we were going in.
Is it actually him?
Pretty sure. Why would anyone fake being?
Wow. Oh, wait, Megan Fox is Smurf?
I know I dash around a lot, but I promise I'm
Uh,
looking out for you.
No, it's just a new
Take them out while
account.
they're busy with me.
She's
wait,
new to
I thought-
Valorant.
I thought you guys were kidding that we were going in.
Is it actually him?
Pretty sure. Why would anyone fake being?
Wow. Oh, that's... Oh, flip it. Someone flip it.
That's
I mean, such a random thing to fake, no?
that's Riot Kelly.
I mean, someone randomly was an imposter for a Survivor contestant. When,
Please
like,
stop.
he has,
I
like,
literally
2,000
can't.